everyone and welcome back to our new video. आज मैं finally अपना shaving routine आप सभी के साथ share करने वाली हूँ because I have said that I have given up on waxing. तो ऐसा क्यों है, उसके पीछे reason क्या है and why I started loving shaving so much and how I do it. Everything will be explained in this video. So stick with me on this and make sure you don't skip any part here because every step is very important if you want smooth, shiny, glistening skin. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. I have been waxing for years like clockwise, but मैंने over the time notice किया that my skin is just not loving it. I mean waxing is just not for me because I had bumpy arms, irritated underarms and that dreaded strawberry skin on legs. And let's just not forget the pain part, it's so not worth it. That's when I actually gave shaving a chance and it's almost been a year. पूरा एक साल हो चुका है and I feel मेरी skin इससे better कभी नहीं रही है. All those bumpy skin and everything is reduced and I'm so happy with this routine and I'm going to take you through that routine step by step today. What you have to do is soak the area you want to shave, for example your hands and your legs, in warm water. What it does, it makes your hair and skin softer so the gliding process is easier for you. Second step is exfoliation or scrubbing. I always start with a scrub. I use the Oh So Smooth Brazilian body scrub, and if I want to do like a 2-in-1 thing like wash the area also and scrub it as well, then I use the Dove Exfoliate Away body wash. I've recommended it multiple times, but honestly you can go with whatever you have in hand. Exfoliation basically removes the dead skin cells और आपकी जो clogged pores होते हैं उनको भी unclog करता है and it gives razor a smoother surface to work on. This one step has really made a difference in my bumpy skin and that strawberry leg skin I used to have. This step actually takes me to a myth that shaving causes ingrowns. Shaving doesn't cause ingrowns. It is actually your clogged pores and your hair type. It's not the method, and in fact exfoliation before shaving can help you reduce these ingrowns अगर आपको ऐसा कोई issue है भी तो. Lubrication is the key. Never ever skip this step. I use the Gillette Satin Care Gel. Because foaming creams aren't that easy to find, you can also use shaving gels or even conditioner in a pinch. It cushions and hydrates the skin to help the razor glide easily, and it also reduces the chance of any kind of irritation or ingrowns or nicks or cuts. It is a game changer for getting the smoothest shave. Dry shaving, absolutely no. This is the razor I've been using for a year now, the Venus Smooth Sensitive. This I feel is the reason I got stuck to shaving. This growth that you're seeing, this is my 10-day hair growth. And if you notice, there are no thick hair. My hair is normally like this. मेरे बाल बहुत ही पतले आते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा बाल भी नहीं आते हैं. Like एक साल हो गया मुझे करते करते. अगर ज़्यादा बाल इससे आने होते या ingrowns होते या कुछ भी ऐसा होता तो आपको दिख जाता because this is like the consistent growth that I've been getting. मेरे को इतने ही बाल आते हैं. Why I love this particular razor is because it has 3 blades for close and clean shave. Flexible and rounded head that adapts to curves, specially designed for women. It has a skin-loving strip with aloe that hydrates your skin as you glide and is perfect for sensitive skin. I always shave in the opposite direction of hair growth for smoother finish. I use long, gentle strokes, not too much pressure, no rush. Let the razor glide and no going over the same area again and again is not the secret to smooth shaving. You will actually end up irritating your skin. You have to just make the right stroke once with the right pressure as shown in this video. Be gentle and slow here. Now that you're done shaving, आपको उस area को अच्छे से rinse करना है with lukewarm water and you have to pat dry because अभी भी आपने अपनी skin को exfoliate किया है, shave भी किया है तो बहुत sensitive होगी. So make sure you are being gentle and you only pat dry and do not scrub your legs or your hands like this. Now comes my favorite part, moisturization, because obviously आपने pat dry किया है, अभी काफी dry रहेगी skin. Make sure you apply a fragrance-free, nice and rich moisturizer on the areas that you have just shaved. आपको जो satisfaction मिलेगा ना, seeing that smooth skin come through is the best feeling. If you want that glistening effect, then you can also use the Vaseline Radiant Oil, वो जो cocoa वाला आता है. It smells delicious and it gives you that beautiful glistening skin. I like to finish my routine with this step. आप चाहते हो इसको कर भी सकते हो, otherwise moisturization is like enough. If you like glowing skin, glowing body, then you need to add this in your routine. Whatever oil you have, you can use. मैंने ये use किया है. And with this, you are done, guys. Moisturization part is non-negotiable. You have just exfoliated and shaved your skin. So make sure आप अच्छे से moisturize करो so that there is no roughness, there is no irritation, and your skin is smooth as anything. With this, I'm done with my shaving routine, guys. I hope this was helpful. But there are some tips and some myths I wish I knew earlier. But because you're watching this video, I'm not going to leave anything. सबसे पहली चीज, what if shaving makes your hair grow back thicker? No, it doesn't. I've said it multiple times. मैं दोबारा आपको एक छोटी सी चीज बता देती हूँ. Your hair growth depends on your DNA and your hormones. आपकी जो regrowth आएगी post shave, तो आपको 2-3 दिन के लिए ऐसा लग सकता है, oh my hair feels so blunt, but that's just normal because when you're shaving, you're basically cutting your hair from the surface. Unlike waxing कि आप एकदम पेनफुली उसको पुल करके एकदम रूट से निकाल रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Let that hair grow. वो आपकी जो नॉर्मल हेयर ग्रोथ है वैसा ही आएगा. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका हेयर जो आएगा वो बहुत ही थिक आएगा. I have done it for almost a year. I have not felt a single difference in my hair growth. Shaving causes skin darkening. No, it doesn't.
It's not shaving, it's the routine you're using. So always exfoliate to remove dead skin. Use a shaving gel for lubricant. Good razor like Venus Smooth Sensitive and moisturize after.
You don't need to press hard while shaving. Let the razor do its job. You just have to simply glide that over your skin. Change your blades after every 5 to 10 shaves to avoid any kind of tugging. This routine that I've shared today is beginner friendly, fuss free and most importantly a skin savior. I hope यहाँ पे जो भी मैंने बताया वो आपके लिए helpful हो. Make sure you share this video with anyone struggling with strawberry skin, bumpy skin and waxing से जो भी परेशान है सबको ये वीडियो शेयर कर देना. If you've still got any kind of questions, please let me know. Comment section में जो भी आपका question है लिख देना. And yeah, I hope this video helps. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए bye bye.